Now do it again. What are you doing, Georgie?
Measuring.
Measuring what?
I'm going to paint a picture for Abuelita.
Okay. Let's see what we got going here. This space, whatever you want to call it. This is Abuelita's room that we're still painting. We put in a closet right here. Still working on it. Georgie's helping. He's measuring everything. Right, Georgie?
Right.
Okay. Are you helping too? Okay. And there's Felipito priming the bathroom. And ya estoy en huelga por Felipito porque he doesn't like anything that I do. He tells me to do something, and what does he say? What do you say, Daddy? When I